Hello kids, good morning. So today ma'am is going to take number smart B. So I hope you have done your previous work, pH and everything. I have given in number smart B. Am I right? Good. And you people are doing well. Okay. So here I am holding number smart B. As you know kids, we have completed our addition sections, right? Addition के जो भी थे सम्स और जो भी टास्क दिए हुए थे आपके नंबर स्मार्ट बी में वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, राइट? वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव सीन द हंग्री जायंट, राइट? वी हैव डन आवर एडिशन इन दैट and missing numbers we have done there. Okay, then we have done what comes between, what comes after and what comes before in this number smart book. Okay, so today we are going to have our subtraction in number smart B. So kids, I hope you all are ready. So let's take out our page, and that is, you should take out the pages. Okay. So kids, today we are going to have our page. Till this page 74. So color the picture according to the color code, right? Color code is given, and according to that we have to complete this picture, right? And it was your pH. I hope you all have done it. Fine. So we are going to turn on subtraction, fine, in number smart B book. Kids, you can see one girl is there and her name is Meera. Meera had 5 sweets. Meera के पास 5 sweets थे. Total 5 sweets थे. Means you can see in the picture she is holding 5 sweets, and she had, okay, what said she had, मतलब उसके पास थे. Got it? यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो subtraction sign is given, and you know the subtraction sign. Fine. This is the subtraction sign. Okay, this is subtraction sign. Okay, this is our subtraction sign please, and this is our number smart B book. As usual, we have to write our subject. Fine kids. So number smart B की बुक है हमारी, और इसमें हम आज ले रहे हैं subtraction. Okay kids. So here Meera had 5 sweets. Meera के पास 5 sweets, 5 chocolates थे. Okay. She gave away 2 sweets. She gave away. उन्होंने अपने 2 sweets जो भी उनके पास थे मीरा के पास. तो बच्चों, जैसे कि मैम ने बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ किया है, आई हैव ड्रॉन समथिंग फॉर यू. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन वॉट एवर आई हैव डन ऑन द बोर्ड. फाइन. सो हियर I have drawn some chocolates, some sweets, and we are going to have word problem. We are going to have word problem in our number smart B. And you can see page number 75. Word problem is given for subtraction. Fine. As we, I told you that number smart B, subtraction sign. This is our subtraction sign. We have taken, we have introduced. Okay, about subtraction, right? हमारा introduction हो चुका है कि what is the exactly meaning of subtraction. To remove the things from given any group of things, bunch of things, right? So this is the subtraction concept, right? कि चीज़ों को निकालना, चीज़ों को घटाना होता है subtraction, right? So this is subtraction sign, minus sign, fine. So what is this? I am going to explain right now. See, Meera had 5 sweets. You can see Meera's picture in the book, and she gave away 2 sweets. उन्होंने क्या किया? अपने 2 sweets दे दिए हैं. Okay, is equal to, now Meera has only 3 sweets. So let's do it on the board. So I have drawn some sweets on the board. You can see this is candies or these are the sweets, only 2 sweets she has gave away to her friend. Fine. तो उन्होंने अपने 2 sweets उसमें से दे दिए हैं, किसी को दे दी है और अपने फ्रेंड को दे दी है. Fine. Now Meera has how many sweets? How it is? So let's see. Here I have cut 2 sweets from the total sweets. 5 total sweets Meera had. Fine. She gave away 2 sweets. So I am going to cut this 2 from this total sweets. So 2 sweets are gone. Fine. And 1, 2, 3. How many are left behind? 1, 2, and 3. So that means 1, 2, and 3 sweets are left behind or left with the Meera. Okay. So that's why she have remained 3 sweets with her. Fine. So it means minus. It's minus. This sign is also called minus sign. Is equal to. This is equals to. Fine. So here explained again for you. Now you can see Misha had 6 apples. अभी यही एग्जाम्पल है, बट उसकी क्वांटिटी बढ़ा दी है और थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. मीन्स पहले मीरा के पास चॉकलेट्स थे, बट यहाँ पे मीशा के पास एप्पल्स है. फाइन. सो मीशा had 6 apples. She ate 2 apples. She likes apples so much, so she eaten 2, right? So she ate 2 apples from them. Fine. So Misha had 6 apples. She ate 2 apples. 6 apples है, उसमें से मीशा ने क्या कर लिए हैं? 2 apples खा लिए हैं. It means what? Misha had how many apples, kids? Yes, 6 apples. So 4 I have drawn. Okay. Good. So okay kids. तो आगे का देखिए. मैम has drawn apples that Misha had. How many apples, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She ate 2 apples. जब मीशा ने 2 apples खा लिए हैं तो कितने बचेंगे? तो चलो देखते हैं. मैम ने ड्रॉ कर लिए 6 and मैम has कुछ सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन. आप देख सकते हो सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन है बीच में, और उसके बाद 2 apples मीशा has she has eaten or she ate. Fine. So here I am going to cut these 2 apples. Okay. 2 apples खा लिए हैं, वो हमें 6 के ग्रुप में से कट करने हैं. Okay. Getting. So I am going to cut these 2 from this given total number of apples. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 4 are left. So Misha had left behind 4 apples. Fine. So my answer will be 4. So you can see dots are given. With the help of dots they have done. Okay kids. So just have a look. Yes. 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are given. -2 मतलब 2 एप्पल्स खा लिए हैं. तो 6 में से 2 माइनस करने के बाद इज इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are left behind. So let's turn our page. Now you can see, look, understand and learn. Birds and frogs. With the help of birds and frogs speak, we are going to do subtraction here. Fine. On this page. So 5 birds were sitting. कितने birds बैठे बच्चों? Yes, 5 birds. Sparrows are sitting on the branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 flew away. 5 birds were sitting and 2 flew away. इसमें से 2 उड़ गई हैं. 2 चिड़िया उड़ गई हैं बच्चों. तो आप देख सकते हो, पिक्चर केयरफुली वॉच कीजिए. हाँ, जब 2 उड़ चुकी हैं तो कितने बची हैं पीछे? Yes, tell me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, how many were left? Yes, 1, 2 and 3 were left. Okay, so ये आपको न्यूमेरल्स में मतलब नंबर्स में बताया है. So that is 5 minus 2. How it is? तो 5 already कितनी चिड़िया थी? How many birds were there sitting on the branch? Yes, there were 5 birds sitting on the branch and 2 flew away. 2 चिड़िया उड़ चुकी हैं, right? तो इसका मतलब 5 में से 2 चिड़िया उड़ चुकी है, या फिर उनके उड़ जाने के बाद केवल 3 चिड़िया वहां पे बचेंगी, राइट, सिटिंग ऑन द ब्रांच। वेरी गुड। सो इट मीन्स 5 माइनस 2, 5 में से 2 आउट करने के बाद आपको 3 मिलेंगे। गेटिंग गुड। नाउ frogs, let's have our frogs example. See, 4 frogs were sitting. 4 frogs were sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 jumped into the water. Frogs are all living on the land as well as in the water too. तो क्या हुआ है? 4 frogs were sitting. एक दिन क्या हुआ? 4 frogs बैठे थे. Okay, sitting. And 2 jumps into the water. वो खेल रहे थे. They were playing. And खेलते खेलते जो 4 frogs were sitting, from them 2 jumped into the water. 2 water में jump कर लिए. तो उसके बाद how many were left? 4 बैठे हैं. 2 ने jump किया पानी के अंदर. कितने बचे बच्चों? Yes, you can see in the picture. Only 2 were left. So 2 were left. इट मीन्स इनको अगर नंबर में लिखना है तो आपको टोटल नंबर जो था फ्रॉग्स का वो है 4, 4 वर सिटिंग एंड आफ्टर जंपिंग 2 फ्रॉग्स इनटू द वाटर हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट? यस 2. वेरी गुड. सो यू कैन सी, ओके, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. फाइन. सो हियर नेक्स्ट टी टाइम. ओके, लेट्स हैव टी टाइम. Pictures are given. Very beautiful and colorful pictures are given for you to do subtraction, kids. So tea time. Here are 4 teapots. Yes, pink color के teapots रखे हैं यहाँ पे. Take away 1. How many left? देखिए, teapots are there. So इसमें से आप देख सकते हो कि 4 minus 1 उनका नंबर है. Total number is 4. 4 teapots are there and 1 टेक अवे 1. चलो 4 पॉट्स लो. घर पे ग्लासेस आप ले सकते हो, राइट. टेक ग्लासेस, स्टील ग्लासेस ले लो आप. डोंट टेक कांच के ग्लास मत लीजिए. यू कैन टेक स्टील ग्लासेस. फाइन. सो लीजिए उनको और उसमें से आप एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो जैसे कि जस्ट टेक अवे 1, टेक अवे 2, टेक अवे 3, टेक अवे 4. 4 के 4 हाइड कर दो. तो देखिए आपके कितने बचते हैं. यू कैन डू द एक्टिविटी एट होम टू. फाइन. So here T40 4 minus 1 take away. So take away 1 is equal to, yes, if you take away 1 you can see 3 are left. Fine. So 3 will be the answer. Fine. Here are 5 teacups. Now see, look at the teacups. 5 are there. Take away 2. अभी इसमें से 2 अगर आप आउट कर रहे हो तो इसमें से बचेंगे कितने बच्चों? Yes, you can count 1, 2 and 3 and you should write number in the box, given blue box. Fine. Okay, so let's turn on. Next, here are 8 mugs. You can see 8 orange mugs are kept. Take away 4. How many left? Yes, अगर आप इतने सारे 8 mugs देखोगे orange mugs, you can see orange mugs. Fine. So इसमें से आपको निकालने हैं take away 4. Take away means निकाल डालो उनको, साइड में रख दो. फाइन. सो टेक अवे आई एम गोइंग टू कट ऑन द मार्क्स. ठीक है. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have cut 4. So tell me how many are left? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, kids, we have to write 4 in the box. Getting? Good. So let's have our next example. Here are 7 spoons. Now time spoon. We are taking spoon. You can take spoons. मम्मी से मांगिए स्पून. डेफिनेटली शी विल गिव एंड डू द subtraction activity with the spoons. Fine. So here are 7 spoons. Take away 6. How many left? ठीक है. चलो 7 स्पून हमें मिल चुके हैं. मम्मी से भी 7 मांगी है और उसमें से 6 स्पून को निकाल दीजिए. ओके. टेक अवे. जस्ट टेक अवे. फाइन. साइड में रखना, उसको बोलते हैं टेक अवे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have take away 6 spoons. Fine. Taken away. So how many spoons are left behind? Yes, there will be only 1 spoon. So I am writing in the blue box. Fine. Last for you, here are 6 biscuits. Take away 3. How many? It's जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया, right? So here are 6 biscuits Take away 3. How many left? तो जैसे मम्मी से आप बिस्किट्स मांग सकते हो, बट डोंट इट होल बिस्किट्स. फाइन, पूरे बिस्किट अगर आप खा जाओगे तो कुछ बचेगा नहीं, राइट? हमारा सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा. सो टेक सम बिस्किट्स फ्रॉम योर मदर एंड टेक अवे सम बिस्किट्स फ्रॉम दैम. फाइन. सो हियर कुकीज आर केप्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 3. इसमें से 1 2 and 3 हमें निकालने हैं. So how many are left? 1 2 and 3. Very good. So I have written 3 number in the blue box. So it was our 77, page number 77. Please turn your page number 78. Fine. And you should put date. Today's date, that is 9 September. Fine. Here are 5 boards. Take away 2. How many are left? Yes, given. ये दिया है आपको, ठीक है? So आप देख सकते हो 5 minus 2. Total number of boards? Yes, 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Minus how many are take away? Yes, 2 take away. तो 2 इसमें से माइनस कर दिए हैं. तो चलो 1 2 आउट कर दिए. How many are left? 3 are left. So written in the box. Fine kids. Good. Here are 7 engines. Yes, train engines are here. Take away 5. How many are left? Fine. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 engines are there. So number is written here 7 minus. Yes, we have to take away 5. Yes, I'm going to take away 1 2 3 4 5. How many are left? Yes, 2 are left. Now kids, yes, you are coming through school bus to the school, right? And going back through the school bus. Okay, school bus is taking you and you are arriving in the school and going back to your home. Fine. So here are 4 buses. Take away 4. How many are left? चलो 4 buses स्कूल में आ गई हैं और सारी buses बच्चों को लेके, स्टूडेंट्स को लेके फिर से वापस घर पे गई हैं. मतलब 4 buses, here are 4 buses, take away 4. फिर से वापस 4 के 4 वापस चली गई हैं. It means 4 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, tell me how many will be there? How many buses will left behind? Now you have to write the answer. So kids, we will see our next pages in next video. Ma'am will take in next classes, right? So till that, keep learning, keep growing, keep doing subtraction, and keep doing backward counting. Whatever I have taught for the assessment, first assessment, so you people are going to do. I hope that. Fine. So all the very best for your